So I've tried just about everything I can think of this trip. I've tried against the snags, tried shallow water, I've tried deep water, tried morning, tried afternoon. About the only thing that's really worked for me is fishing in the deep holes, but even then the bites have been very patchy. You sort of catch a lot of fish for an hour and then you catch nothing. So a couple of times I have done well, I haven't had the camera going. But hopefully they play the game this morning and I actually get a few more on the camera. Just going to keep it rolling until it runs out. Well, I've been here for 15-20 minutes, not even a single nibble. So no point hanging around here. So down the river a bit, there's a place called the Rock Wall that a lot of people fish. Used to be a charter boat that would run up to it, only for a brief period, but it's not that far down the river, so I'm going to head down there and see if that's any better than up here. So what we're getting to here is the mouth of the Maramingo Creek that comes in there, and from here, about probably a kilometre downstream, it's what locals refer to as the rock wall. Not really a rock wall like you'd imagine, be easy to find, but there's rocks coming down to the waterline. So yeah, used to fish pretty well. A lot of people do hit it. Busy time of year, obviously no one here today, so I'm going to have a crack, see how we go, and I might just go into the Maramingo. Used to catch a lot of big fish out of there. Can't see why that would have changed. Just been a bit lazy, didn't want to paddle down this far, but not catching fish. It's made me have to. It was the first bite I've had. Only a tiddler. Definitely not size, but at least I might be getting to somewhere where there's fish. There was a time in my life where that was actually almost size. There's a fair scar on it. See you, mate. Hopefully there's some bigger ones there. Don't know much whether this is much of a fish. Making the drag work, might just be size. So maybe he's a bit better than I thought he was. Come on, up you come. Oh yeah, he's definitely size. It's actually a good fish. Okay, he's quite a good fish. 100% that is size. That's what we're after. It's a good bream, good condition. He's a bit slow getting up to the boat, but went hard when he actually saw the canoe. Yeah, good looking fish. Good nick. Glad I caught him. Said nice, a lot of fun on light gear catching these things. All right, see if we can back that up with another one. And there's the little prawns they sell you now. Still the price of what you pay for the ones you can eat. But they're tiny and they go rotten really quickly. So I think next time I'll just buy them out of Woolies. I don't think you're actually allowed to do that because I think it spreads white spot, which is a disease that fish can catch. Anyway. I don't know if you can hear it, but that noise is a bellbird colony. That's one thing I clearly remember about this place, that unique noise. They'll make that from the second the sun comes up until it goes down. Whether it's hot, cold, blowing a gale, all year round. Go back and have a fish in the backwater, I think. Oh, well, that concludes my fishing for this trip. Fish were patchy on their bites. They'd come on real strong for an hour or so, and if you were lucky to be fishing, you could hardly miss. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of that on camera, but I'll hopefully have enough there to put a video together. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll definitely be back to fish this river. It's been so long since I have, but yeah, still a magic place to be, and I definitely won't leave it as long as I have to come here.